Welcome to our guide on using the month-end close module in Docyt. Accessing month-end close. Log into your Docyt account and navigate to Banking and Reconciliation from the main menu. Then hover over Reconciliation Center and click on Month-end Close. The Month-end Close page displays the current year's reconciliation status for all months, including completed on and completed by columns. To begin the month-end close process, click Begin Month-end Close. This opens a detailed page for reconciliation steps. Bank fee reconciliation. Verify the bank fee for a specific account and month. The status can be either verified or unverified. After verification, click Acknowledge and Confirm in the dialog box that appears. To unmark an item as acknowledged, click Acknowledged and select Unmark as Acknowledged. Resolve uncategorized, flagged, and unmatched transactions by acknowledging each section after resolution. Ledger balance reconciliation. Reconcile the ledger by ensuring all entries match the bank balance in QuickBooks and Docyt's adjusted ledger balance. Acknowledge items such as uncleared bill payments, transfers, excluded transactions, and transactions not pushed to the ledger, providing notes where necessary. Review and acknowledge various reconciliation elements like statement ending balance, uncleared balances, and transactions pushed to GL outside Docyt. Acknowledging documentation status. Optionally, document all transactions and acknowledge undocumented transactions after resolution. Marking account as reconciled. Once all items for the month are acknowledged, click Mark as Reconciled. A summary pop-up will appear for final confirmation. Marking a month as completed. Click Mark as Complete after reconciling all statements to indicate the completion of a month. Reopening a completed month. To reopen a completed month, select Reopen Month from the most recently completed month. The status will change to In Progress. The Reconciled button reactivates when at least one line item is unmarked as acknowledged. Thanks for watching this video. Check out our How to Videos playlist to watch more videos like this.